Hey everyone, Vetco Electronics here, letting you know about two new do-it-yourself kits that we just got from OSEPP. First is the OSEPP Digital Hourglass. This kit, once built, detects its vertical orientation and acts like an hourglass, as the digital grains fall, represented by the deep red LEDs. You can alter the rate that the digital hourglass counts at with the press of a button. Once it's done counting, it'll beep to let you know if the time's up. The second kit we have is the spinning wheel kit. Press the button and it'll land on a random number each time. We would also like to give a special shout out to OSEPP for sending us these display units. We have a bunch more OSEPP kits in stock for your holiday shopping convenience, along with many other awesome kits and electronic project supplies. So come on by and check our retail store out, or check us out online. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want live notifications when we post new content.